Okay.
Okay. So the way to open it, you come here to open it. Okay. So that means you can see, and in this watch, and you can see, it still has a lot of pressure. For example, if it is going down, if it is going close to 0 kilopascal, and let me know, and I will ask people to refill the nitrogen gas into the into the container, into the cylinder. Okay. So now the way to open it is very similar to the way you open the nitrogen gas, and please have a try.
Okay.
Open it for me. You open it for me, please. See which direction? See which direction? Have a look on direction.
Open this side.
Okay. Yeah. Just keep going. Okay. Open. Okay. 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 Stop it. Stop it. Okay. And now just turn this one. Okay. Just try the opposite direction. Okay. Okay. If it's ready. Okay. Oh, it is. Okay. So that is.
I think okay.
Oh, I think we are losing
this
it.
side. Okay. Then we again have to increase the pressure.
Oh yeah. Just the anti-clockwise direction until it goes to 60. I feel it goes to 60.
40, 50.
60. Yeah, 60. Around 60.
This is 60.
60.
Yep,
Yeah,
60.
Perfect. Great job. Okay. So now is in order to do TGA, we have to turn on the cooling system because we are going to increase temperature to a very high temperature, maybe higher than like 500 degree. So that is this cooling system could protect the machine from being broken.
Okay.
So I think that is and there is something on the back, and you just open it for me. Okay. Flush it. Okay, great. Okay.
Yeah.
Just wait for a second. Wait for a minute. And also just brush it for me. Yeah. Okay.
Stand by.
Okay, just wait for it. Let me just do it. Okay.
One more time.
Yes, maybe just one time or more until you can see. If you just press it one time, if there's nothing happened, and you press it again, until you can see that it is turns blue, and until you will be able to hear the sound.
Okay.
That means it has been activated.
Okay.
That means it's ready to go.
Okay. No.
On the back of it, and just I think there's another. Okay, on the back of it, just open it, press it, open it. Okay. You see how the power is on.
Yeah.
Okay, the power is on. Great. Okay, so now next is we go to the computer and open the software. Okay. So to open the software, and you just open it. You just come here to open it. Okay, reverse it.
Which one is the software?
Let me see. Let me have a look. I have to find it. Yeah, where is it? Where is it? It should be on the desktop. It's somewhere.
Bamboo Studio.
Studio? No.
Bamboo Studio. That is written there, so that's why I was thinking.
Okay. No, that's a software for analyzing for generating the structures for 3D printing.
Okay.
For drawing the structures, but let me have a look. Oh no, this. Okay. Click
On Paris
Manager. Yeah.
Okay.
After clicking that, you will see that it is offline. It has been offline. In order to just let me see this, click Start. Okay, that it is offline. Just click this one and let's see. Okay. So just click TGA 4000, and then you will see the software will be opening. Okay, just wait for a few minutes and okay. However, it is still okay. So you can see after you have opened it, if you can see the temperature, if you can see the value, if you can see the it says go to temperature. If you can see that, that means it is connected. It has been, that means the machine, the software has been successfully connected to the machine.
Okay.
There's a good connection between them. Okay, very good. So the next thing is, so just something like a little bit, let me explain. So the next thing is we have to weight the sample, right? We have to weight the sample. That is, in order to weight the sample, normally what we do is, firstly, we will put our pens inside. We just put the pens inside. After that, we will click. Okay. Oh, sorry. Before that, we just click purge gas. Click apply. Apply. Okay. Okay. And then, let me see. No, not go temperature sample weight.
Sample weight.
Okay, that's okay. So firstly, we just put our pens inside. Yeah, just